What's up, guys? Welcome to a beautiful day here in Gothenburg. Today I will be exploring the area in Mölnlycke, just next to Finland. So it's the first time I'm here riding, and they have Trailforks as my guide for the day. So let's see what we can find there. So the plan is to follow the latest Svartvitt race track. I was here earlier this year. That's why I'm pretty sure that trails are gonna be of a character that I appreciate, since it's enduro style, and hopefully some challenging downhill sections. Now the climbing begins. I'm currently on my way towards the first downhill section on the enduro track. Which means climbing to get to the top. Right, here we go, first stage. There's a black trail, so it should be pretty hard. Nice drop. That was a little drop. It's a bit scary to ride blind. Nice burn turns. Wow. Some nice stone work. The inside line. Now I saw that I actually took the wrong trail there. We did stage 2 right now. Oh well. Then we go to stage 1. So it's pretty much the same climb, so I'll see you up there. Right, stage 1 then. Let's go. This is a black one as well. There should be some interesting features. Like this one. That's a proper step down. That's cool. I need some speed for that one, yes. Here we go. Woo! Damn, that was a nice one. That's a berm. Oh, wait, what? I know what went wrong. Apparently we're not supposed to take the drop. That's part of something completely different. So from the start, see the signs here, and you have a very hard left right here. That's the one I missed. So I was so focused on the drop, or step down, whatever you want to call it. That's a nice flow. Drop. Whoop, hard on the brakes. Not sure. That's a nice. There, B-line. Proper B-line as well. Ooh, that's a nice wide step to the north. Ooh, that was not smooth at all. Probably done. Oh, was not particularly nice. Super hard to keep the flow up. Oh well, that's that. Right, here goes stage number 3. Has the same starting point as stage 2, but so it's a red trail. Should have more flow, not as many technical stuff as previous two. That's a pretty heavy drop, but not very smooth landing. Nice and loamy here. Get uphill, drop it. That's a tight corner. Ooh, that's off camera. Yeah, that was nice. Pretty good challenge. Keep the flow going and tackle all the obstacles. So now it's gonna be gravel road for a while. I don't think you want to see that, so see you once it turns into single track again. Okay, here we go, stage 4. So it starts out pretty easy, dream run, really good if you stick to. Then it's gonna continue on red. Nothing crazy, that's rollable. I will not recommend roll that one. Wow, watch out for that tree. I think that's it. So let's see how we get to the next one. Should be starting on pretty much the same spot at this one. So, right, time for stage 5. It's graded as a black one. So, probably gonna have some technical challenges on this one. But let's find out. Roots. Rock work. Oh, that's sketchy. Ooh. Probably took a long time. Maybe this is steep. Roots. Left hander. And I think I'm done. Ooh. It's pretty short, but it's rowdy at the bottom. Definitely a black one. Again, it's time for a climb. But it's gonna be the last one. So I'm coming up on the last stage here. And this one is a red trail. So hopefully a good mix of flow and technical stuff. Steepens. Ooh, that's tight trees there. Ooh. Oh, that's so much scarier than this. And then a finish sprint. Ah, there we go. Ooh. yeah, that was some good race stages. A lot of fun. But I'm not done for the day just yet. I'm gonna see if I can find some other nice trails. So let's see what we find. Okay, time for the next downhill trail. So I climbed up, so I'm pretty close to the start of stage 4 and 5 of the Svartvitt race. And the trail I'm gonna take now, it starts out on Stenjeten, and then after a while there should be a trail that turns left that is named Master of Destruction, which I'm hoping to find. This one looks pretty fresh. Oh, that's a nice rock to launch you. And apparently it's gonna have a whole bunch of tight switchbacks. That's why I wanna try. Oh, some nice rock work on this one as well. Take it easy. Oh well. Maybe not the best run for today, but it is what it is. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new videos. And thank you for watching.